Hello JVs. I don't know about you, but I always hated my day job. And again, I don't know about you, but I always loved my monthly salaries. Is it really possible to generate monthly salaries without a day job? The answer is yes, using membership sites. The problem is, the membership site builder softwares available in the market are way too complicated. They take a lot of time to build a membership site from scratch. I have a good news. Our platform will build a membership site, a complete money-generating membership site in just 90 seconds. Another problem with the current membership sites in the market is that most of them are WordPress plugins, and a lot of our customers hate WordPress. They don't want another WordPress plugin. They don't want to download anything. They don't want to upload anything to their site. And even if they build a membership site with a membership site builder plugin, they need more themes and plugins to make it professional. This problem is completely solved. Our platform is hosted in our server, completely cloud-based. You can use our subdomain or you can use your own custom domain. Another big problem is most of the softwares in the market don't integrate with the platforms we regularly use, like JVZoo, Warrior Plus, PayKickstart, ThriveCard, PayPal, Warrior Forum. The good news is this problem is solved. Our platform integrates with all of them. Another big problem is the current softwares, membership site builder softwares, don't integrate with the autoresponders we use, a lot of them. But our platform integrates with 20 top autoresponders in just one click. Another big problem is file hosting, because most of the softwares in the market are WordPress plugins that tend to use your server. So your server gets loaded with files. But this problem is solved. Our platform uses Google Drive, Dropbox, and Amazon S3. You can upload your files from the app dashboard, or you can upload them separately in those drives and fetch the files from the app dashboard. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Mosh Barry on behalf of my partner Jason Fulton and the whole 008 team, announcing the launch of Easy Salaries on 6th March 2020 on Warrior Plus. Easy Salaries is one of the biggest problem solvers in the industry. As usual, we're going to have a high converting, proven and chunky funnel, over $4,000 JV cash contest prizes, and guaranteed reciprocation. We always reciprocate our top JVs. Jason and I generate over $100,000 to $120,000 in sales revenue every single month from our affiliate commissions. So again, Easy Salaries is launching on 6th March 2020 on Warrior Plus. See you on the leaderboard. Mosh Barry on behalf of my partner Jason Fulton and the whole 008 team signing off. See you in the leaderboard. Take care. Bye-bye.